Up to the boat?
What?
Are you gonna swim up to the boat? Because I am. I'm gonna try.
Oh,
You can?
Yeah, like your normal body.
I probably will. Yeah.
Was I that wrong?
Yeah. Let's go.
I'm gonna try, but I'm not sure if I can go all the way.
Should I bring the floaty thing?
Huh?
Should I bring the float thing? I might need to put a little sometime. Is that okay?
Sure. Yeah, we can take turns. I don't need it right now because I can touch the...
Yeah, maybe we'll grab Oh, can I get on?
I'm getting on.
Huh? Is it gone? Is it gone? Yeah.
What's that? Either one. Come in tight. Matt's probably going to take right where the canoe's at. Right in front of this tree to tie off to. I got an anchor out and tied. You could just run aground, tie off to a tree. Oh, hey Cooper, what's up? What's up, buddy? Hurricane Chris. bias back. All right. Looks good.
This thing needs to cool a little. I think they're a little too hot.
You can knock the fire down with a stick.
I could.
Spread it around.
Still pretty hot.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Actor, he is on SNL, and he was on SNL with
Jeez.
I'll eat it. I'm gonna do a front flip.
Oh.
Ow!
Back flip.
Ow, my back. Ow.
Hey YouTube, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the alarm bell so you know when the next video drops, or just reach out to us by leaving a comment below. Peace.